All right, so y'all, this is question number 1 out of 2.7. So let me just write that here. This is number 1 out of 2.7. And it says the point 814 is on our graph. Okay, so this is the point 8 and 14. Remember, this is my x value and that's my y value, okay? So let's do part A. Part A says, can we find a point on the graph of the function y equals f of x plus 2? Okay, so what I want you to notice, look where the plus 2 is. The plus 2 is inside my parentheses, right? So what I'm doing, y'all, I'm using the formula sheet that I gave you guys for the final. And what I'm seeing is this right here, this horizontal translation looks a lot like what we have right here because the plus 2 is inside and the plus c is inside. So in this case, it says we're going to move to the left c spaces, so we're going to move to the left 2 spaces, okay? So if we're going to go to the left 2 spaces, what we're doing is we are subtracting 2 from this number. So for part A, the value I'm going to have is going to be 6 and 14. Now let's do part B. So for part B, we're trying to find a point on the graph of y equals f of x plus 2. So look where the plus 2 is here. It's outside the parentheses, right? I'm going to come back to my formula sheet. Look right here. See how the plus c is outside the parentheses? So we're going to move up, in this case also, 2 spaces because it tells me I'm moving up, right? So now if I'm going to go up 2 spaces, then from my original point right here, I'm going to add 2 to that, so my new point is going to be 8 and 16, okay? So here's my answer for A, and here's my answer for B. If you got questions, let me know.